If you want to fill out a form on your iPhone without installing a third-party app, so in this video, I will show you a quick and easy method on how to do that. If you have received your form or if you have downloaded any form on your iPhone, just make sure you save it to the Files app. Now after you do that, then just open Files and go to the section where you have saved your form. Now after you open your form, an option will appear to automatically fill your form. But if you cannot find this option at the top of the screen, just look at the bottom of the screen and you will find this option. Just tap on this icon and your iPhone will automatically scan the form and it will show you the input boxes. Now from here, just tap on the input section and fill the form from here. And if the alignment of the input boxes are not correct, you can drag them and you can align them as you want. Just like that. Now just fill out the form as you want. And also if you have copied any text from anywhere, you can paste it by simply tapping on the input box and select paste. Now once you're done filling your form, and if you want to add your signature too, just tap on the plus icon over here and select add signature. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon and add your signature over here. Now after you add your signature, just tap on done and drag your signature around, and you can increase or decrease the size of the signature as you want. And once you're done, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save. Now once you're done filling the form, just go back. And as you can see, this is how you can fill out a form. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.